Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to rotate video in Filmora. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically the first thing to do is just to open your project. You will need just to go to the file menu and from here you will find open projects or you can simply create a new one. Now you will need just to add your footage or your clips into the timeline so we can start rotating them or we can do all the editing on them. So basically I have this uh, timeline. So now to start editing on your video, you will simply need just to click on your elements. So here I have this image and this is a video. So you can do the same for videos as images. So either you can click on the video on the preview, so this is the player, and from here you can also start making some editing, and here you will need just to do like that. So let's just make it the same here, so it can be more visible. So now I have rotated this image, and you can do the same for the video. So here I'm just going to rotate this video. And basically, if we go to the preview, you can see like that the video is rotated successfully. And another way to do it is to simply go to the panel and go to the basic parameters or basic settings. And here in the transform, you will find like there is position and there is the rotation. So basically in this rotation, you can start like rotating your video. So we can have like our playback and we can simply rotate our video however you like. So as you can see, it is being rotated, etc. So you can also like create a keyframe like to rotate it at one time and to change the rotation another time. So I'm just going to create a keyframe and from here I'm just going to make it for example like that. And we can see the results of this. So as you can see, it will be rotating and you can change the rotation. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.